This show is brought to you by SJ71 Limited Builders.
Hi viewers, today we are here at Brampton Soccer Centre. There we are celebrating International Yoga Day, which started last year, 2015, and it is recognized officially by UNO as an International Day for Yoga. Yoga is a very beautiful expression of telling that the whole nation who adopt it has a very, very strong spirit with a healthy mind and a very healthy body to participate in the life and the activity of the social system. We are just entering, we will see how the whole event is and how much we bring our culture along with our traditional values.
Hi viewers, my name is Lisa McLeish Diaz. I am a new employee of SJ71. We are one of the sponsors here at today's yoga event, so I'm so glad to be here with you guys.
So where we will see SJ71 in 5 to 10 years?
In 5 to 10 years, SJ71 will be building your dreams, making them come true. We are right now located in the Durham area, so east of Toronto, but we are trying to build everywhere that we can in the GTA area.
Good luck and well wishes.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here and thank you for joining us.
Noor, what is your role in this whole event?
I'm actually the event manager for SJ71 and we're the title sponsors for the International Day of Yoga.
So how long did it take you to prepare for all this? Because it looks like it's a huge effort to put this kind of huge event all together.
It took about a month, yeah. It took about a month. It was hard, but at the end of the day, it's worth it, yeah.
So what are your expectations?
We're planning to get our name out there as well as we're supporting the International Day of Yoga. We're supporting the healthy living. So I think it's a good cause. We should focus on healthy living.
So what is SJ? Would you please would you please like to tell the details about a little bit to our viewers?
SJ71 is a real estate developing company and it's based in Ajax, and we have a lot of properties in Toronto and Scarborough too. So it's growing.
Yelda, you are a model and you are with SJ71 and this is all about yoga today. So what is the role and the connection with all three different areas?
My company SJ71 is the title sponsor today, and we're also organizing a little bit of a fashion show just before I go on and do a speech about my company.
So what is the response you think community gives with such events?
Well, it's great. This is the first year they're acknowledging that yoga should have its own day, and it looks amazing. It looks like a lot of people are, it's a good reception, so it looks like it's good.
So a beautiful model is here and so much fashion shows, jewelry shows are happening. So are you going to participate today or are you going to just have a quiet observation?
I am doing a speech on stage. I will not be modeling this time, but I'm sure it's going to be a great show and we have some great models lined up, so it'll be fun.
Good luck to you.
Thank you so much, Halima. Thank you guys for being here as our media partners.
Thank you. How you were motivated to be the sponsor for yoga, which is a very difficult thing.
Okay, International Yoga Day is recognized now in 121 countries by United Nations because of Guruji and his devotion towards yoga. So it's a great event to connect people, everyone together. And we took the opportunity because Art of Living have proposed us as a title sponsor, and we took it as an opportunity that we are glad to be here. And we talked about everything we do in SJ71 is a teamwork. I discussed with my team and they suggested we should be here. Brampton is a new field for us. We are right now based in Durham, but we are also working throughout GTA. So we took the opportunity, we met with the Honorable Mayor here as well as the local MPP. So we are glad to be here, and that's our connection. And Mr. Fateh Chauhan, Anju Malhotra, Vinky, they encourage us to be here, as well as TAC TV.
So what do you think what are your plans for future? Where do you see SJ71 in future, in let's say 5 years?
SJ71 is a team corporation that we started around 3 years back from now on. We are at the moment surviving, I would say, at today's market. Our team is very expert. I have carefully chosen the team, and they're very devoted, dedicated. We are trying our level best. In 5 years, we plan to be in Toronto Exchange. That's our goal.
Good luck for that.
Thank you very much.
Now, I would like to talk to you because you're pretty in your blue and white theme colors, which are the, I think, signature colors for SJ71. So, how are you?
I am very well. Thank you so much.
So, what is your connection with from builders to yoga?
Well, actually, that's a great question, and I'm glad you asked that. What our connection is because we build facilities. We take land and we develop it. And right now, one of our G plazas is going to be a total of 27,635 square feet. We'll have 2 to 3 multicultural restaurants, but what we expect to do in Ajax, because we find there's a lack of facilities, we would love to house something like this, because we're going to have a banquet hall on the second floor, over 10,000 square feet. And again, this is bringing this kind of event and menu to Ajax, because we want to actually bring everybody together in the community.
Good luck. It's a very noble cause. Thank you.
Thank you for asking. Thank you.
I'd like to introduce my IT and Communication Director, Mr. Nadim Bhatti. With very much experience, very dedicated, devoted. He looks after everyone. He's the man.
Hi.
Hi there.
How are you?
I am excellent, thank you.
So, what would you like to share about your participation, your future plans, your goals, and everything?
For here, I like to do yoga myself. I do it once or twice a week for the past year or so. So my future plan is to continue that. Otherwise, the company, we're going to grow, we're going to change the face of Ajax and the Durham region.
Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
I would like to know that what was your role into this yoga event?
Actually, we were trying to find out like every people are the same and different countries might be, but we are same and we are all related to yoga, like Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That means the world is different, but we all are one.
You are so pregnant with your jasmine flower. So what was your role? Beautiful culture expression. What were you doing?
We did the opening dance to open the show, and it was our dance theme was to represent the whole world, like whole world, but we are one at the end. So my attire is represent Malayali, Kerala.
Nice, very
Traditional
nice.
Keralian. Thank you so much.
So what's your name?
My name is Sadia.
And your contribution to this event?
Actually, I'm a hairstylist, so I was just taking care of my friends' hair.
Oh my God, that makes a huge difference, you know.
I was here just to help out, so they get ready on time and perform a beautiful performance. So so that was it.
Cool. What's your name?
Arpita.
And your role in this event?
Oh, well, we are here to perform the inauguration song, dance. So we are depicting different cultures of India, like she's Malayali, Bengali, and myself from Andhra Pradesh. So we are here to perform a dance.
So how long it took you to prepare for this all?
It actually took 6 to 7 days, but all with Anuradha's help, we could, organize and do it pretty.
I'm sure it was awesome. Thank you very much.
Thanks, man.
I can see that our community is growing, and not only growing but enlightening also. So what do you think in reference of Yoga Day and its UN appreciation for that?
Well, yoga is a phenomenal exercise. It's a great way to connect with your body. I've actually been doing yoga a lot myself. My father does yoga. My family does it. We meditate and we use, Simran and meditation. But for our physical fitness, we often use yoga to be able to connect with our bodies. So I'll show some of that today on stage.
Oh, wow. So you're a true leader in every sense.
Well, I believe that a complete person should be well-read, should be should have culture, should be fit physically, should have a sound mind, should be spiritually engaged. That makes you a complete person.
So I feel like in Ontario, we are having very much diversity. And in that diversity, especially our Indian culture and our culture values are enhancing day by day. What is your take on that?
Well, I think South Asia is so diverse. We really need to celebrate all the distinct cultures. There's Gujarati community, there's Rajasthani community, there's Punjabi community, there's people from the south, from Tamil Nadu, from Telugu, from Kerala. We really need to celebrate our diversity. We have so much to offer, so much to share with the world. South Asia is so rich in culture and diversity. And more than just celebrating the diversity, we need to make sure that we're included into institutions so that recently there was a kabaddi tournament hosted in a school. We need to see things like yoga done in schools as well. We need to see more diverse things included in our public institutions.
So being a leader and being such a good yogi simultaneously, how would you like to address your people?
Yes, I think that it's so important to get out there and practice. Maybe people feel like, oh, I can't do those difficult poses. Start very simply. Even the yoga breathing is so good for your lungs, so good to just breathe deeply. It has so much healing power. So it's important to be able to do anything you can. Start small, but just start. Any physical activity, whether to start off walking, move into yoga, bicycling, anything you can do to stay active is so important.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jay.
I'm sure you must be having fun organizing such a big event and bringing so beautiful side of the culture which tells that this community is very healthy. So what was your reasons to bring yoga to the community where we are having so many problems?
Well, what actually exactly is the reason? So not only we, but the worldwide for the first time in 2014, they recognized the yoga as being the solution for mind, body, spirit. Yoga has been a solution for environment. Yoga has been a solution for the mind and the terrorism that's happening and the national and religious boundaries. So there is one technology which is called the yoga that can actually go out and demolish these barriers. So what we wanted to do is actually take this day as an opportunity to bring yoga and actually facilitate, get people to experience what yoga is.
So it's very hard to convince people to certain things, but there are certain expressions which bring people close by. Your difficulties and your goals towards this event, what would you like to share?
Well, one of the perception about yoga has become a large industry in Canada, in the United States. So like worth $25 billion. But the yoga, the way it is perceived is like yoga fashion, yoga as an acrobatics, yoga is only for thin and slim people, those who can bend. Whereas yoga is related to actually the way you think, the way you perceive yourself, and the way you perceive others, your human relationships. So what we wanted to bring is the culture or the event that actually communicates that message. And our biggest challenge has been that perception that yoga has to only thin people is where that a lot of people do not show up.
So it must have taken you a lot of effort and time to put together all this. So would you like to share how long did it take you to prepare for this, to unite so many people together?
Well, this has been going on for, we started actually last year when we did for the first time in Mississauga in a Celebration Square, and we learned a lot of stuff, and the whole planning started from that time immediately afterwards, and we are still learning as to how and why we can bring people at the same place to actually celebrate, to have fun, and they give actual real definition of yoga.
I thank you very much and my all well wishes for you.
Thank you very much, and I appreciate for your time for being here.
Thank you. So would you like to express your role in this, putting all this event together?
Sure, I'm just helping the organizers, bringing people together. It's a great team. They have the Art of Living and all of their partners, sponsors, media partners that have provided so much support to bring on this community event.
So what do you think, what are the difficulties and what makes you happy? What do you feel like you have achieved out of all this effort?
I think it's really nice to put on an event that's free or low cost. So most of the people, if they registered online or they brought a donation for the food bank, it's free admission, and it's really hard for families to find anything that's free for the family nowadays. So I really like that Art of Living has organized a family-friendly, low-cost free event.
So any message you would like to convey to the community?
Just a huge thanks. This is the second year that they're doing this event, and it's just going to get bigger and better each year. So ask everyone, if you couldn't make it this year, keep your ears open for next year, and we hope to see you again.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
और आपका इस पूरे इवेंट में जो कि योगा डे है और पूरा काफ़ी बड़ा काम है इसके अंदर, कल्चर इवेंट भी है, योगा का भी है, आपका इसमें क्या रोल है?
मैं यहाँ पे लॉजिस्टिक टीम्स में हूँ, पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज़र देख रहे हैं, वेंडर्स का सारा देख रहे हैं, और योगा में क्या क्या इवेंट मीन्स परफॉर्मेंस कैसे कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज़ करनी है, किसको क्या टाइम देना है, वो सारा हम लोग मिलके कर रहे हैं। और इस डे को मीन्स और बढ़िया बनाने के लिए इसको लोगों की ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गैदरिंग हो, और इसलिए हमने इसमें एंटरटेनमेंट, बच्चों के लिए फंड्स और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कोशिश की है कि वो पूरा दिन एंजॉय कर सकें, क्योंकि ये 12 आवर्स का प्रोग्राम है, 10 to 10। सो हर कोई एंजॉय करे और योगा सीखें, और इसको हम अपनी इंडियन कल्चर है हमारा ये, और इसको आगे से आगे लेके जा सकें और मीन्स लोग जुड़ सकें इसके साथ। सो इस चीज़ के लिए सारी टीम ने, आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग की, सब ने मिल के कोशिश की है ये।
बहुत शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू दी, थैंक यू।
योगा मेरा ख्याल है एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत एक्सप्रेशन है जिसमें लोगों को जोड़ा जा सकता है, तो इसको जोड़ने के अंदर आपका क्या किरदार है?
मेरे लिए भी योगा एक्चुअली में बहुत पहला तजुर्बा रहा है। कुछ चीज़ें जो हमने एंटरटेनमेंट से जुड़ी हुई की हैं, ये कुछ स्पिरिचुअल है, कुछ अलग महसूस कराती है आपको, कुछ अंदर से महसूस कराती है कि कुछ अलग करना चाहिए। और ये जो काम आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग ने किया है, कम्युनिटी जो योगा से नहीं भी जुड़ी हैं लेकिन वो इसमें घुलना चाहती है, मिलना चाहती हैं, तो उनके लिए ये सारा प्रोग्राम रखा गया है। तो सिर्फ स्पिरिचुअल नहीं है, फ़न है, एंटरटेनमेंट है, क्योंकि कहते हैं, इनकी टैग लाइन है कि योगा डजंट मीन जस्ट आसनास, योगा मीन्स अ लाइफस्टाइल। तो मैं समझती हूँ कि ये बहुत खूबसूरत मौका दिया है हम लोगों को यहाँ पर आकर अपने खूबियों को पेश करने के, हमारी ह्यूमैनिटी को पेश करने की। तो ये अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, और बस मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि ये मौका हमें मिला है।
बहुत शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक्स टैग टीवी।
One of the main organizers for this show.
Well, I'm the program director of this event, and of course there's a lot of people behind it. I cannot take the credit all. There are a lot of volunteers who have worked a lot of hours to put this together. Yes.
So I can see that there is tremendous output for that. So what would you like to tell to people, that how do you find it and how important do you think these kind of events are?
the idea of this is that we want to bring yoga to the world. Yoga is a way of life. This is what we are trying to say, that it's not about just exercise, it's a way of life. It's connecting your body, soul and mind in one harmony. So your life becomes joyful and you are very happy in whatever you're doing. So when you are happy, your society becomes happier, the world becomes happier, and that's the message we are trying to bring across.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So would you like to introduce yourselves, please?
I'm Smita from Minas. I'm Minnie from Minas.
So what is your specialty and role in this yoga event today?
Well, we support physical fitness, and that's what keeps life going. And diamonds are a big part of glowing. So we profess the all glow. That's yoga and diamonds.
Yes, yoga and diamond. Yoga glows your inner soul, and diamonds your outer and inner both, because when ladies wear diamonds, they feel so good inside. So I think yoga and diamonds, they go side by side, they go together.
I think that the philosophy of stones and their power energy reflects. So those who have got that kind of stone for themselves, it's an awesome. So what are your findings that how these kind of culture events help people put together?
How do you mean? Well, cultural events brings everybody together, and when we like-minded people meet, it gives another level of energy, and that's very important for today's living.
So what is the response of people, especially in these events, to you guys?
The one thing is that people appreciate. Earlier, diamond was confined to shops and all. We brought it out. We brought it to common people. We get good response. Plus, in this foreign land, when these kinds of community event happens, Minas wants to be part of it, to promote these. And it's a one way of giving back to the community. So we really appreciate that in this foreign land, we Indians are doing so good. We get together here and we support each other.
Thank you very much and wish you very good luck.
You too. Thank you so much.
How are you?
Very good. This is such a great celebration of yoga and wellness. Happy to be a part of it.
So you are such a strong women representative, I would say. I would call you a perfect example for a women, independent and very much involved women into the community. So what do you feel that these kind of events and these kind of culture fusions, how do they help building strong community roots?
I think community is all about sharing, and we are so blessed that in a country like Canada, we have over 30 different ethnic communities. So it's such a beautiful way to bring people on a common platform, whether it's food, art, music, yoga or wellness. In the end, we all want the same thing, love, peace and happiness. So this is all about that.
So women are more prone towards yoga. So what is your opinion?
Actually, being born in a country where yoga originated, India, I do believe that today yoga touches everyone, not just women. It tends to be more women oriented because I think somewhere women have found a strength and empowerment in yoga, because yoga is not only about the body, it's about the mind. But when I go to yoga class here, I find both male and female, both of different ethnicities coming together, and really it's a way to bring balance into your mind. And if a woman is balanced, her home is balanced, she can balance her family and her community much better.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Halima.
Sharma ji, what is your role? What is CIBC doing in this International Yoga Day event?
I'm working as a mobile mortgage advisor, so we are here to represent CIBC for any kind of mortgages.
So, by sponsoring these events, what do you think? What is the significance? What is the impact you're giving to the community?
This is one of the best thing that we can say, art of living. They are teaching, showing, learning a lot of things about the yoga. This is good for health for everyone. So we like to invite all our clients, friends, and everybody to come here and see and learn and enjoy also.
Thank you very much.
could our soul got dyed in the hue of his master's soul, so that no distinction remained between the two. One of Bulleh Shah's poems gives a graphic description of the state of emerging masses. It is
The base is going to sit up, and the flyer is going to. And yeah, cool.
रमेश संगा जी, इतना बड़ा इवेंट होने जा रहा है, हो रहा है, and we are all so happy that we are integrated through yoga expression. What is your take on that?
I'm thankful to the organizers, all organizers, those who have invited me. When I was never had that much big idea regarding this function, but when I was thinking it's a very small, but now I realize it's really a good function. A community, it brings a consciousness in the community, जागृत करता है community को कि आप सेहत के लिए कैसे अच्छा सेहत रखना है. To be maintain your good health is good for you to do this yoga. और योगा का योगदान जो मैं देख रहा हूँ अभी, really it's a marvelous thing to do it, but we must adopt it for the help of ourselves and for the community.
तो आपका इसके अंदर क्या रोल है? आप जस्ट विजिटर और सपोर्टर हैं या आप इसके अंदर कुछ करने जा रहे हैं?
No, as a leader they invited me and I am here today. I have nothing to play the role. I'm not involved in this yoga community, but today I am here just as a leader. They invited me. I appreciate their function.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for taking me. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How about you?
I'm great. I'm happy to be at this Yoga Day Festival and the Art of Living sponsored event. I'm really pleased.
I feel like more and more Canada is becoming diverse, especially if we look at Brampton. There are so many cultural practices which are very healthy. Healthy mind, healthy body and healthy living. So what is your take on that?
You know, as a mayor of my city, I'm always trying to keep my residents healthier longer. We have a very serious issue of diabetes in this community. 1 in 10 is getting diabetes, and it's projected to go even higher to 1 in 6. And I appreciate having a diverse community, and I want to find ways to take some of those customs and introduce older Canadians into that mindset. Whether you're a vegetarian, when you practice yoga, these are all good practices to help extend your life and keep you active longer, and that's what we're trying.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fantastic. How can you not be? Especially here at this yoga event, I got to participate in Laughing Yoga, and I think whenever you're involved in Laughing Yoga, it really uplifts your spirit and your mood and brings you so much positive energy. And yoga is really about, mind, body, and spirit. And fantastic event. We should, get more people involved in our beautiful ancient tradition of yoga from India.
We are having a lot of diabetic problems and food-related problems with our community. So I feel like we should also motivate people towards the traditions we have. So what's your take about that the community needs awareness, what the government is trying to do for them?
Well, it's a huge concern. I know that our provincial government has been working with the hospitals on it. Locally, there's a lot of organizations I've been working with as well that are trying to bring diabetes awareness, especially to the South Asian population, because we're at high risk. And we all know that diet and exercise is the one thing that can control diabetes. If not, if there's no solution, at least we should be able to, still live a healthy life despite, this issue. So, this is a great way to bring awareness. And if I can do anything to contribute more towards it, I would love to do so. So, all those out there that are yogis or dietitians that, want to talk about creative ways we can help the people of Canada, we should do so. So I'll definitely be working towards that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All we have to do
Cultural diversity with different heritage brings the beautiful colors to the rainbow. Yoga is an expression of healthy mind, body, and spirit. We are a healthy nation and it's proven throughout the world. That's why we are here today to celebrate that we have reason, we have productive, healthy citizens who have ancient practices along with them. Asian culture, South Asian culture, with its all diversity and colors, is very loud and speaking out to the world that yes, we have a lot to contribute here in Canada. We are having this event, one-day event, with entertainment and the expression of our culture, yoga, with its different ways of from music to exercises to its food expression and everything. Thank you for watching. Halima for Tech TV.
#1 multicultural channel. This is Tag TV.